Holy moly! Pi Network price just flashed a rare bullish signal. Could we be looking at a jaw-dropping 200% surge to $3 soon? Let's dive into this potentially life-changing news. What's crackin', my Pi-loving prospectors and crypto pattern hunters? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your ultimate source for all the latest scoops and potential moonshots in the Pi Network universe. I'm your main Pi pump predictor, Goldrush, and today we're dissecting a seriously intriguing technical formation that could send Pi coin soaring. In this video, we're uncovering a rare chart pattern that just formed on the Pi Network price chart, hinting at a potential 200% blast OFF to $3. We'll break down the technical indicators, the crucial support and resistance levels you need to know, and the potential catalysts that could ignite this massive pump. Get ready for some serious Pi price potential. Alright, Pi fam, let's get straight to the juicy details. While the Pi Network price has seen some downward pressure in recent weeks, even crashing to that crucial $1 support level, representing a significant 66% drop from its yearly high and hovering near its lowest point since February 2022. Technical analysis is now suggesting that the value of Pi might be gearing up for a major comeback. In fact, some analysts believe we could see a surge all the way to an all-time high of $3. Now, let's dig into the technicals that are fueling this bullish outlook. Looking at the 2-hour chart, it's clear that Pi coin has been in a strong downtrend since the mainnet launch, plummeting from nearly $3 to just below $1. It's even dropped below the 50-period and 25-period moving averages, initially signaling that the bears were firmly in control. According to the Murray Mathlines tool, the price even touched a strong pivot and reversal point. But hold on. Here's where things get exciting. The MACD indicator has formed a bullish divergence point. For those of you not familiar, a bullish divergence is when the price makes lower lows, but the MACD indicator makes higher lows, often signaling an impending upward reversal. The same positive signal is flashing on the percentage price oscillator, PPO, which is essentially a variant of the MACD indicator. And the cherry on top of this bullish Sunday? The formation of a falling wedge chart pattern. This is a classic bullish pattern characterized by two descending and converging trend lines. The textbooks say that a bullish breakout typically occurs when the price nears the confluence point of these trend lines. Therefore, the technical tea leaves are reading strong bullish breakout for Pi coin. This breakout, if it materializes, could very well see Pi coin skyrocket to that coveted all-time high of $3, which, let's not forget, is a whopping 200% above the current level. However, it's crucial to note that this bullish view would be invalidated if the price drops below the support level at 70 cents. So, that's our line in the sand, folks. A 200% pump to $3. That would be absolutely life-changing for so many Pi pioneers. This falling wedge pattern, coupled with the bullish divergences, is definitely a reason to get those hopium levels soaring. Now, technical analysis is one thing, but what could actually fuel this massive 200% surge in the Pi coin price? Well, there are several potential catalysts on the horizon. First up, the price could rebound sharply if the developers even hint at a potential token burn. For those who don't know, a token burn is when a certain number of coins are permanently removed from circulation, effectively reducing the supply. This could be a strategic move to offset the fears surrounding the upcoming token unlocks, which are estimated to be substantial, over 1.6 billion tokens within the next 12 months. With an average monthly unlock of around 129 million Pi coins. A token burn could definitely ease those supply concerns and send the price soaring. Second, and this is a big one, the Pi Network price could explode if popular crypto exchanges decide to list it. We're talking about the big guns like Coinbase, Binance, and Upbit. Historically, cryptocurrencies often experience massive price surges after being listed on these major platforms, gaining significant visibility and liquidity. Remember that Orca price surge of over 200% after being listed on Upbit just recently? That could very well happen to Pi. Third, let's not forget the overall market sentiment. If the broader cryptocurrency market bounces back, especially if Bitcoin stages a strong rebound, that could fuel a resurgence across the board, lifting Pi coin along with it. And finally, in a more speculative scenario, the Pi coin price could even surge if a major financial company applies for a spot Pi ETF, exchange-traded fund. While this might seem like a long shot right now, the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs has shown that traditional finance is increasingly embracing crypto, and who knows what the future holds for Pi. Listing on a major exchange like Binance or Coinbase would be the ultimate game changer for Pi Network. That kind of exposure would bring in a flood of new investors and could absolutely trigger that 200% surge and beyond. A token burn would also be a brilliant move to address those unlocked concerns. What do you think about this rare bullish pattern forming for Pi Network? Are you feeling optimistic about a potential 200% surge? And which of these catalysts do you think is most likely to happen first? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. If you're loving this in-depth Pi analysis, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want to stay on top of all the latest Pi Network news and potential pumps, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. So, to recap, a rare falling wedge pattern has formed on the Pi Network price chart, coupled with bullish divergences on the MACD and PPO, suggesting a potential 200% surge to $3. Key catalysts that could fuel this move include a token burn, listing on major exchanges, a Bitcoin rebound, and a potential spot Pi ETF. However, the bullish view would be invalidated if the price drops below 70 cents. What are your next moves with your Pi? Are you holding onto your hats for a potential $3 price target? Let's discuss in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with all your fellow Pi Network believers. Thanks for tuning into Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Be sure to check out our other videos for more exciting Pi Network updates and technical analysis. Remember, this is just my analysis and speculation based on the available information, not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions in the volatile cryptocurrency market. Stay safe, and may your Pi bags reach for the stars.